welcome to Letscookolet. Today we want to show you how to make a simple, stress-free meal, spaghetti tomato sauce. But what we're going to do, we're going to add a little stress to it, and we're going to make the tomato sauce from scratch, homemade. It's going to be so yummy. So let's start here. Olive oil. As soon as the oil warmed up, we're going to put down the stove to medium-low or low, because what we're doing here, we're gonna sweat the onion and the garlic. We're not gonna saute them, we're gonna sweat them. So on the low heat. Nice. So the difference between saute the onion and sweat the onion, they become like a little bit clear, so they become fully cooked without color. And the saute, you have a color and still crunchy. Now we're gonna cover it up and let it cook for a few minutes. Nice. Look at this. It's cooking without caramelizing, without any brown color. Beautiful. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add some dry basil, granulated garlic to give a little boost to the fresh garlic. And let's give it a little kick, which is some chili flakes. Nice, look at this. It's been like it's been cooking for 5-6 minutes. Now the garlic and the onion almost fully cooked. Voila, beautiful. Now we're gonna add the diced tomatoes. And tomato paste, salt and sugar, little black pepper. Now I want to add some fresh basil. Give it a little chop. Voila, and ready to go in. Now we're gonna give it a little mix and we're gonna let it simmer for about 30 minutes. The longer it simmer, the more it rich the flavor. So we're making small portions here. We're gonna let it simmer for about 30 minutes. But if you're making bigger portion, you let it simmer for an hour. That's what's all about homemade tomato sauce. Now in the meantime, we're waiting for the sauce to be ready. So it's been simmering for 15 minutes. We're gonna do our, we're gonna boil our pasta. So we're gonna bring the water to boil. Olive oil in the water. Gonna add a little salt. And now I'm gonna put this pasta. The pasta I'm using is spaghettini, which has happened that I have them. I have a tricolor. I have a spinach flavor spaghettini, sun-dried tomato flavor spaghettini, and the regular spaghettini. So it will take about between 8 to 10 minutes, and by then the sauce will be ready. Let's check on the sauce. Yummy! Look at this, beautiful. So they'll be ready exactly the same time with the spaghetti. Now, it's the last touch. I'm going to reveal the secret of my tomato sauce recipe. It's the aged balsamic vinegar. Has to be aged balsamic vinegar. It's unbelievable taste, nice, sweet, and give you the rich complex for your tomato sauce recipe. I'm putting about tablespoon cherry tomatoes. I'm gonna add. I like nice chunky tomatoes because what we're making here, we're making chunky tomato sauce. It's not like, you can put it in a blender, but we're making chunky tomato sauce. And me, I like to add little fresh cherry tomato to my sauce. Give it a little mix. Beautiful, almost done. Let's check our spaghetti here. Lovely, ready to go. Turn off. Voila. Put on the side. Nice. Now, if you find the sauce a little bit thick, to me it's perfect. But if you find a little bit thick, use the pasta water to thin it up a little bit. Perfect. Beautiful. Here you go. Now, before we turn off, let's give a quick taste. Oh my God, nice. Beautiful. Now for the pasta here, I'm just gonna add a little bit olive oil and give it a little mix and ready to go on the plate. Now for the tomato sauce on top, a little parm. Voila! Now the moment of the truth. Wow! The aged balsamic give it like unbelievable flavor. So don't forget to make this at home. It's all yours to enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.